Hey, Steve Bohr with an Outdoors First Gear review. This is the new Piscifun fish gripper and scale. It's digital. The digital display pivots, so it's easy to read no matter what the angle is. In other words, you shouldn't have to pick the fish too far up out of the water, because if you turn this towards you, you can grip the fish gripper like this, weigh the fish, and then simply open it up and let it go. Another feature of the Piscifun fish gripper is it's waterproof. Watch this. Stick it in the water, leave it underwater for a while, even 5 minutes. It's completely waterproof. So you don't have to worry about it in the boat, in rain, or for that matter out on the ice, which we'll be using this quite a bit for. The Piscifun fish gripper is also really powerful. There's actually 60 pounds of lift. So once you close this onto a big old catfish's face, you can pick up a 60-pound cat with no problem at all with this. Pick him up, get your picture, let him go into the water. The digital scale, once you set it, which we already have, all you have to do is hit the power, put it 0, then put your weight on it, and it'll lock. You got a consistent weight, and then that's going to be your weight. To reset the scale so that you can weigh another fish, all you have to do is just temporarily press the power button a little bit, hold the power button a little, it'll clear to 0, let it go, and then it'll be ready to weigh again. So the new Piscifun fish gripper and digital scale, brand new from Piscifun. Get yourself one today.